This belief led to the establishment of Grey MatterZ. We offer project development, migration, and maintenance with software quality assurance. For this, we have a development team with expertise in blockchain, React, .NET, Java, Python, Node, Angular, DevOps, Azure, AWS, GCP, data science. We take pride that we have successfully delivered projects to healthcare, finance, e-commerce, real estate, education, and supply chain. The customer-centric approach of our company offers 4 hours of overlap with US timings, cost reduction by 1/3 without compromising quality, protection of intellectual property, code reviews, build and deployment, process monitoring on MERN and cloud. Contact Grey MatterZ today. Visit www.greymatterz.com, mail us, or call us, and revolutionize the way your organization works. Because we make sure that you stay a step ahead, always.